Have you ever wondered how things are made? What technology is used? At Norco College, we offer a manufacturing technology program that will help you learn about the tools that enable the production of all manufactured goods. Manufacturing technology students learn in-depth and hands-on the master tools of industry that workers use to turn raw materials into quality goods essential in today's society. There are many career options in the field of manufacturing technology, such as machine operator, CNC programmer, facility maintenance technician, and more. Get the skills you need for a career you want that will earn you the wages you're looking for. Norco College provides students the tools and education needed to go into industry, whether to start your career or advance to the next level. Learn more about manufacturing technology at norcocollege.edu.